Okay, on what we're going to try and do here is solder up some electric brake joints, and I'm using these new shrink and seal and solder joints. I got them from Napa. They're for the 16 gauge wire. Looks like they're part number 729105. I gotta say, I've done a couple of trailers now with these, couple lights area. I'm doing everything with them now. I can't say enough about these guys. They're just amazing. You get a really good connection, and the shrink tube part really goes down well. So again, Napa 729105, and I'll show you how they go on. You just slide them over the wire. I'm not sure it's necessary, but I've been putting a little bit of flux just on one wire. Certainly can't hurt. Just so fucking hate you. I just so fucking hate. Okay, so this is the first one I'm doing, so the heat gun isn't warmed up yet, but it does seem like the more you do, the faster it goes. So time-wise, although I'm sure you'll find it adequate, it will be a little slower. The shrink tube part of this stuff is really good. It's extra thick. It's not like the shrink tubing you'll get on the packages from the hardware store. This is much thicker. I like to shrink it down on the wires first, and then just concentrate on that center spot. And you can actually see it just turned liquid just now. And try to do a little bit all around it. And that's it. I mean, they're really solid joints. I don't think you can beat them. Certainly crimping doesn't compare. All right, we're going to be doing a little bit more with this trailer here. I'm going to turn some brake drums, and I just wanted to show you that part though. I'm not going to bore you with all of them. Bye.